You don't search for love, you become love's resting place. And everything shifts, not because the world changed, but because your point of view did. You are no longer climbing the mountain, you are realizing you are the mountain. Instead of asking, what should I do to become who I want to be? You ask, what would that version of me choose right now? And then you choose it. Even if it scares you. Because growth is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming more deeply yourself.